Hello students, in this question we have to show that a function in f in a which is r minus 2 by 3, that means real number line excluding 2 by 3, defined as fx is equals to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 is 1 1 and on 2, and hence find f inverse. So the first part of this question is that we have to prove this function is 1 1 and on 2. So for proving 1 1, for any two values x1 and x2, if the value of that function, that is fx1 is equals to fx2, then it should be the case that x1 and x2 are the same quantity. That means for one x there would be one value of fx which would not be shared with any other value of x. Hence we say that given function fx which is equal to 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. This should be unique to each value of x. So we say that let f of x1 be equal to f of x2. Substituting x is equals to x1, we would get 4x1 plus 3 upon 6x1 minus 4 is equal to 4x2 plus 3 upon 6x2 minus 4. We can now cross multiply them. We would get 24 x1 x2 minus 16 x1 plus 18 x2 minus 12 is equals to 24 x1 x2 plus 18 x1 minus 16 x2 minus 24. Thus minus 12 and minus 12 gets cancelled. 24 x1 x2, 24 x1 x2 also gets cancelled. We are left with 18 x2 minus 16 x1 on one side minus 16 x1 is equals to 18 x1 minus 16 x2. We can also shift this thing on one side, x2 x2, 18 x2 plus 16 x2. This should be equal to 18 x1 plus 16 x1. So this gives us 34 x2 is equals to 34 x1, and hence x2 is equals to x1. So we see that when the values of f were same, the value of x itself was also same. Hence proof that the function fx is equals to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 is 1 1. Therefore, fx is a 1 1 function. Now we come to the onto part of this question. So since 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 is real number, therefore for every y in the codomain of f, then must be existing a number such that this function will hold. A number x belonging to r minus 2 by 3, which is given domain, such that f of x which which is y also, will be equal to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. Thus we say that fx is onto. Now comes the last part of this question where we have to find out f inverse. So we say that let y is equals to 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. We cross multiply. 6xy minus 4y is equals to 4x plus 3. The aim of ours is to get x in terms of y. So we can collect all the terms with x on one side. You would get 6xy minus 4x is equals to 3 minus 4y, which gives us x times 6y minus 4 is equals to, so 3 plus 4y. This gives us x is equals to 3 plus 4y upon 6y minus 4. So this x was the value of f inverse. Hence we can say f inverse of x, just replace y by x, we get 3 plus, for understanding basis we can say that this was f inverse y. So writing in terms of x, it would be 3 plus 4x upon 6x minus 4. So this is the solution to our